Most people think you need a restaurant, a storefront, and a huge staff to make real money cooking. That's wrong. Today, I'm breaking down how a home-based private chef quietly makes more profit than most small restaurants, with fewer hours, fewer headaches, and way better margins. I'm going to show you what private chefs actually charge, how weekly meal prep clients work, the real margins compared to restaurants, and the hidden upsells most people miss. No hype, just numbers. Welcome back to Service Business Breakdown, the channel where we break down boring service businesses that quietly print money. If you've ever cooked at home and thought, I could do this for a living, this video might change how you see food businesses forever. Let's break it down. Restaurant versus home chef reality. Let's start with restaurants. A typical small restaurant. 60 to 65% of revenue goes to food, plus labor, rent, utilities, insurance, eat another 10 to 15%. Most owners walk away with 5 to 10% profit, if that. Now compare that to a home chef. A private chef. No dining room, no servers, no rent, no payroll beyond themselves. Their biggest expenses are ingredients, packaging, fuel. That's it. This is why many home chefs operate at 30 to 50% margins, something restaurants can only dream about. Here's what private chefs actually charge. Private dinner events, 2 to 6 people, $75 to $125 per person, 8 to 12 people, $100 to $150 per person. A single dinner can bring in $600 to $1,500 for 4 to 6 hours of work total. That's shopping, prep, cooking, and cleanup. Do 2 of those per week. You're already beating many full-time restaurant managers. This is where the real money is. Weekly meal prep clients pay for convenience, not food. Typical pricing, $250 to $400 per week per household, 10 to 15 meals delivered or prepped. Let's run the math. 10 weekly clients at $300 per week, $3,000 per week, $12,000 per month. Food costs usually run 30 to 35%. That leaves $7,800 to $8,400 gross profit before gas and packaging. And here's the key. Once menus are standardized, cooking becomes batch-based, not custom. Most people assume this takes insane hours. It doesn't. Many successful home chefs shop once or twice per week, cook in 1 to 2 large prep days, deliver on a set schedule. That's 3 to 4 work days per week. Predictable income. No slow nights. Restaurants can't do this because they rely on random foot traffic. Private chefs rely on retainers. This is where profits jump. Smart chefs upsell. Specialized diets, keto, vegan, medical, family plans, feeding 4 to 5 people, holiday prep nutrition, consulting add-ons, cooking classes, in-home or virtual. A single upsell can add $50 to $150 per client per week. That's thousands per month without more cooking. Let's summarize why home chefs win. Lower overhead, predictable income. Higher margins, less staff. More control, restaurants scale through chaos. Home chefs scale through systems and pricing. That's the difference. This model works best for skilled home cooks, organized people, those who prefer fewer clients, higher pay, people who want freedom, not fame. It's not about being a celebrity chef. It's about being profitable. If you want more breakdowns like this, real numbers, real businesses, subscribe to Service Business Breakdown.